everyone, welcome to Varshita Education. So in our developer interview questions today, I'll discuss about a simple question that too, it is related to scripting. Okay, so what is the question now? I'll discuss with you. In a date field, when a date is selected, the compiler will verify if it is an old date or today's date. If the user selects a date, they will be notified to choose a future date. So what is the question means? For example, you can just imagine I have a farm. So I have a record. So in that record, the user will be restricted by the future dates only. For example, today is a 20th day. So the user can select either 21st day or 22nd dates only, not for the 19th date or 18th date. Or so below dates, it's not possible to select. So there is a condition is there. Okay, so that's why we have to write a one scripting on this area, and the user will select any old dates, then automatically the compiler will inform to the user to select a future dates only, so not for the old dates or today date. Also it's not possible to select future dates only. By tomorrow date or day after tomorrow dates only it will be allowed. So that's the reason I'll write a one client side scripting. Okay, so I'll show it to you practically how to write client side scripting, what are the scripting, and I will explain step by step. Okay, for this reason I'll go to my personal developer instance. So this is my personal developer instance. In my personal developer instance, now you can see this is a one form. SN training is a one form is there. In the join date is there. So join date is, so you can just I'm going to consider as a one date field. Now it is a join date as of now. So if I'm going to select 22nd or 21st or 20th or 5/12, everything will be acceptable. So old dates are also acceptable here. But now whenever the old dates we can try to select it, then it will not allow. So that is our condition. So that's why I want to just write a one client script on this area. I'll show it to you. Okay, so for this reason simply I'll click on all and go to client script. I'll type there is a client script. So in a system definition, client scripts are there. Now I want to write a new client script. Okay, yeah, this is a new client script. Now I'll keep a name. So meaningful name means like a checking date field, date values. That's enough, simple. So checking date values and which table? SN trainings table. Okay, so UI type is a all and type is a on change. So whenever the date join date field has to change, then automatically so we can check the dates and as well as the future dates only it will allow, right? Okay, so now so I will write a scripting. I'll show it to you properly. I'll make it a little bit bigger. Yes, so first of all I want to just take it as a one variable, that is a var today is equals to new date. This new date is nothing but current date values will be receiving and storing into a today date, today field, right? Okay, and now var day is equals to, you can see here, day is equals to, so today dot get date means we are going to get date values only, not for the month and not for so year. So now I'm going to get var month is equals to, so today dot get month. Okay, month plus one. So this is a scripting to get a correct month. So that's the reason we can keep it as a get month plus one. And var, so year is equals to today dot get full year. That's enough. Okay, so we are going to split into a day, month and year. So then after completion of this one, I'll just move into the formatting. So for example, if any day is below 10, then automatically we can keep it as a 0 also. So that's the reason I'll make it as a two, sorry, day is equals to, so day is greater less than, so 10, then automatically we can keep it as a ternary operator and we can keep it 0. Okay, plus day, so day will be available like this. Okay, this is a formatting area. Month also the same, 0 first month means 01, so second month means 02, like this. So month is equals to, month is less than 10, then ternary operator and 0 we can keep, and plus, so month and colon month, that's enough. Okay, this is a formatting of a day and month, but a year is not formatted because of the reason 0, starting year is not started with a 0 1 something, right? 2024 2025, like these years only we can make it, so that's the reason. So now I'll just finally formatted date. What is that formatted date? Bar, we can keep it as a formatted date. Formatted date is equals to that variable I selected, where formatted date is equals to, now I want to just make it as a format like a day plus hyphen, so means date, day and hyphen, month hyphen, so plus month hyphen plus year, that's enough. Very simple and easy. Got it? So I given, I written as a var formatted date is equals to day plus month plus year. That's enough. So simply we written formatted date. Now in the formatted date we received, there is a current date only. So in a format, in a proper format. But now I'm going to select a selected date. Selected date is equals to, you can see we can receive from the user information only. So g underscore form dot get value of, which field values we can get it in this area. This is a join date, right? Right click on the join date and show, and now this is the value, we can just use it. Just simply I just use this one, that's enough. So that is a, in a join date field value we can get, and we can keep it into a selected date. Okay, now I'll make it into a, what it means like a, after getting that selected date, now we are going to check. So what does it means? If condition, I want to write if condition formatted date is less than or equals to, or less than, what it may be. So less than, so selected date, then what should we, Hmm, g underscore form dot clear messages, that's enough. So we don't, nothing we have to do. Okay, so whenever there is a formatted date is just below of a selected date, then nothing has to do, so we can accept, means like a, clear messages, so nothing has to do. And now else, if in case it's not possible, so what should we do? That we g underscore form dot add error message, so we can just give a error message. What does it means? Please select future dates. Okay, that's enough. So we can provide the one error message, and as well as, and see, for example, if a person can select the old dates like a previous dates, then it will try to give a information, and as well as, so it should not be allow any field values in that particular field. So that's the reason g underscore form dot, so set value, that value set value, sorry, I'm just going to give it, a field name should be in a single quotes. Set value is empty. That's enough. Okay. So I written simple and some easy client scripts I written here. So now I'll make it smaller, and then I'll save this one. Okay. So simply I saved. I'll check it here now. So whenever I refresh this one, now you can see. So when I select the join date, so if I select a join date is a 21st, what does that means? Please select future dates. Okay. So if in case I'm going to select a 28th, yes, it is acceptable. So if I select the 4th, please select future dates. Got it? Very simple and easy way. 13th also as a future dates you can select it. And see, I'm going to select the 23rd, acceptable. So 24th, acceptable. What about 22nd? It's not acceptable because less than only I given. So condition as per your condition wise, you can just use it, that equation. Got it? So very simple and easy. So we satisfied that developer inter questions, we got that result. Okay. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, and if you like the video, just please click on like button. And if you have any kind of the developer interview questions, if you require any of the answers for your questions, please comment. Definitely in a further videos I'll explain clearly in a step by step methodology. Okay, once again thank you very much.